Let's practice our new syllable type, the vowel team syllable type. Remember, vowel teams are the pairs of vowels that go by the rule when two vowels go a walk-in, the first one does the talking. It's really handy to have out your syllabication card that will remind you and your students of what those vowel teams are. When we see a vowel team in a word, like in word number 1, we're going to underline both vowels together and label them with just one V. So my first vowel here is OE. My second is AI. So notice I underlined both of the vowels together and just put one V underneath. Then we'll go ahead, draw our bridge, label the consonant on the bridge. We see a VCV pattern, so we're going to go ahead and do our dotted line the first way. Now, this syllable type is a vowel team. VT for vowel team because I underlined a vowel team. My second syllable is also a vowel team. It's another VT. So this label is letting the students know how this will sound. This vowel will sound like a vowel team, which means it will say the long sound of the first vowel. So when we read each piece, we'll read toe, nail, toenail. Good. Let's go ahead and do number 2 together. This is a good one. Let's find and underline our first two vowels. Label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonant on the bridge. We have a VCV pattern, so we have to try the first way first. But we're not done, so let's go ahead and find our next vowel. Our next vowel is this EE together. We have to draw another bridge, label the consonants on the bridge. Now we have a VCCV pattern, so we split it in between the consonants. And we're ready to label our syllables. The first syllable right now is open, second syllable would be closed, and the third here would be VT for vowel team. Let's read this. Seventine. Seventine. Okay, that doesn't sound quite right. So what could I do? Absolutely, I could move this first division to try this the second way. Now my first syllable changed. It's not open, it's closed. So once again, this label is letting me know that I'm going to now use a short vowel sound because it's a closed syllable. Let's read it now. 17. 17. Okay, that is a word I know. That's a number. Go ahead and work on word number 3 as I walk you through the steps. Find and underline your first two vowels. Label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. What pattern do you have? Divide it according to the pattern. Label your first syllable. Label the second syllable. Read the first syllable. Read the second syllable. And read the whole word. Good. So yours should look like this. Did you catch that vowel team? Fantastic. Go ahead and try the remaining 3. Be really careful about number 6. I'll give you a hint. There's 2 things I want you to see in number 6. Pause the video, try those out, and then come back to see the answers when you're done. How did you do with number 6? Did you see the 2 suffixes on the end? Even if you didn't, you probably found that you still read the proper word, squeamishness. You would have just done quite a bit more work than you needed to do. You really do want to encourage your students to be able to see the suffixes because remember, part of what we teach in Layer 3 is teaching them to recognize those suffixes for both reading and spelling. but if they happen to miss one, they will still be able to follow the process and get to read the proper word.